Hello student, today we will start lesson number 8, hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride gas can be prepared by direct method when hydrogen gas and chlorine gas combine in diffuse sunlight. Where we get HCl, this hydrogen chloride, this reaction cannot be take place in direct sunlight because it is very explosive reaction. To prepare hydrogen chloride gas by laboratory method, we need two reactant NaCl, sodium chloride, and concentrated sulfuric acid. For this, we need a round bottom flask fitted with rubber cork, having two holes. In first hole, fix thistle funnel. Second hole, pass a delivery tube which will be dipped in the another container containing concentrated sulfuric acid. Now pass one more delivery tube from this container to the gas jar where we will collect hydrogen chloride gas. We take sodium chloride in a round bottom flask and add concentrated sulfuric acid through thistle funnel in a round bottom flask. Now heat below 200 degrees centigrade. Then reaction take place NaCl plus H2SO4 below 200 degrees centigrade, NaHSO4 sodium hydrogen sulfate and HCl hydrogen chloride. Sodium hydrogen sulfate remains soluble in a solution and hydrogen chloride gas pass through the delivery tube into the container where we have taken concentrated sulfuric acid. This concentrated sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent which absorbs moisture from hydrogen chloride gas. After that, dry hydrogen chloride gas we can collect in a gas jar. We can prepare hydrogen chloride gas by the same reactant sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid, but heating above 200 degrees centigrade. At time, product will be Na2SO4 sodium sulfate and HCl hydrogen chloride. As I have told, we need reactant for preparation of hydrogen chloride, sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid. Sodium chloride is preferred because it is cheap and easily available. Concentrated sulfuric acid is used because it is a non-volatile acid. Another acid like concentrated nitric acid cannot be preferred because it is a volatile acid. This reaction must take place always less than 200 degrees centigrade. If we prepare hydrogen chloride gas above 200 degrees centigrade, fuel is wasted, glass apparatus can break, and the product sodium sulfate stick to the round bottom flask. During preparation of hydrogen chloride gas, we need some precaution also. First, reactant must be heated slowly so that we can control evolution of hydrogen chloride gas. Second, lower end of the thistle funnel should be below the surface of acid. Otherwise, hydrogen chloride gas escape out through thistle funnel. Hydrogen chloride gas after preparation is purified by passing concentrated sulfuric acid, which acts as a drying agent and removes moisture from hydrogen chloride gas. We cannot use another drying agent during preparation of hydrogen chloride gas like CaO, calcium oxide, and P2O5 phosphorus pentaoxide, because CaO and P2O5 can react with hydrogen chloride. See this reaction, CaO plus HCl gives that of CaCl2 and H2O. And P2O5 combined with HCl to give that of POCl3 and HPO3. When we use CO and P2O5 as a drying agent, it defeats our purpose for collection of hydrogen chloride gas. So we will not use these drying agent during laboratory preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen chloride gas can be collected in a gas jar by upward displacement of air. Because hydrogen chloride gas is heavier than air and it is highly soluble in water. Hydrogen chloride gas cannot be collected over water, it can be collected over air because it is highly soluble in water. When gas are filled with hydrogen chloride, how can I identify it? Bring a glass rod dipped in ammonia solution is kept near the gas jar. Then we observe dense white fumes due to formation of ammonium chloride. Physical properties of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is a colorless gas with a pungent choking odor. It is heavier than air and highly soluble in water. How can we prove hydrogen chloride gas is heavier than air? For this purpose, we need two gas jars. In a one gas jar, put a burning candle and another gas jar filled with hydrogen chloride. Now, pour the gas in a jar with a burning candle. The candle gets extinguished because hydrogen chloride gas being heavier, it occupies the lower portion of the jar and forces the air out of it. We can also prove hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water by an experiment, that is fountain experiment. For this, we need a round bottom flask. Put a rubber cork having two holes in a round bottom flask. From the one hole, pass the jet tube, which is dipped in the blue litmus solution, and from the other hole, put a glass dropper which is filled with water. As soon as we press glass dropper, hydrogen chloride gas in a round bottom flask combined with water, and we observe red color fountain in a round bottom flask because hydrogen chloride gas is highly soluble in water. After dissolving HCl gas in water, it creates vacuum in round bottom flask, and due to the high pressure on the litmus solution, pushes it into the round bottom flask. The litmus solution emerges out of the jet tube as a red fountain. Chemical properties of hydrogen chloride gas. It is a non-combustible. It cannot burn. It can be dissociated into hydrogen and chlorine if we heat above 500 degrees centigrade. HCl, reversible sign, it is a reversible reaction. gives the product H2 plus Cl2. It can also react with ammonia gas to form ammonium chloride fumes, white dense ammonium chloride fumes. HCl plus NH3 gives NH4Cl. NH4Cl is ammonium chloride. It can also react with active metal and release a gas, hydrogen gas, like Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2, zinc chloride, and H2 hydrogen gas. Fe plus HCl gives FeCl2 iron second chloride plus H2 hydrogen gas. Mg plus HCl, Mg is magnesium, gives MgCl2 magnesium chloride plus H2 hydrogen gas. Now our next aim to prepare hydrochloric acid from hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrochloric acid can be prepared by dissolving HCl gas in water by direct absorption of HCl gas in water, but during this process it can cause back suction. We can avoid back suction by using a special arrangement, that is funnel arrangement. This special funnel arrangement prevents back suction of water and also provide large surface area for absorption of HCl gas. HCl, when dissolved in water, ionize to give H positive and Cl negative ion. H positive ion combine with water and forms hydronium ion, which is responsible for the acidic nature of hydrochloric acid. Chemical properties of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is strongly acidic in nature and shows all properties of acid. We can prove this in laboratory by using an indicator. First, moist litmus paper. Blue color litmus paper, when dipped in hydrochloric acid solution, it turns to red. It indicates it is acidic in nature. When we add methyl orange solution in hydrochloric acid, original color is orange and it turns to pink color. When we take third indicator, phenolphthalein, added in hydrochloric acid solution, it remains colorless. There is no change in color. We can show acidic nature of hydrochloric acid by combining with metal, metal oxide, metal carbonate, metal bisulfite, metal sulfite. So first, dilute HCl. When combined with active metal, it gives us hydrogen gas and salt. Like HCl plus Mg, magnesium, combined to give H2 plus MgCl2, magnesium chloride. HCl combined with base, it gives us salt and water. Like HCl plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it gives NaCl, sodium chloride, and water, H2O. Dilute HCl can combine with metal carbonate or bicarbonate. Then it gives salt water and carbon dioxide. HCl plus Na2CO3, it gives NaCl, it is salt, sodium chloride, plus H2O, water, and CO2, carbon dioxide. Dilute HCl when combined with metal sulfite or bisulfite, it gives salt, water, and SO2, sulfur dioxide. Dilute HCl plus NaHSO3, sodium hydrogen sulfite or sodium bisulfite, gives NaCl, sodium chloride, plus H2O plus SO2. When dilute HCl combined with metal sulfide, it gives us salt plus H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Dilute HCl plus CuS, copper sulfide, gives CuCl2, copper second chloride, plus H2S, hydrogen sulfide. During this reaction, black color copper sulfide turns to blue in color. Dilute HCl when react with nitrate HCl plus AgNO3. It gives HNO3, nitric acid, and precipitate of AgCl, silver chloride. We get white precipitate of silver chloride. If we add ammonium hydroxide in this solution, white precipitate becomes soluble due to formation of diamine silver 1 chloride. If we further add dilute nitric acid in same solution, we will get again white precipitate of silver chloride. When dilute HCl react with another nitrate like lead nitrate PbNO3 twice, HCl plus PbNO3 twice lead nitrate, it gives HNO3 nitric acid and PbCl2 lead chloride white precipitate. We will be observe white precipitate. Dilute HCl can react with thiosulfate also. Dilute HCl plus Na2S2O3, sodium thiosulfate. We will get product NaCl, sodium chloride, H2O, water, SO2, sulfur dioxide, and S sulfur. During this process, we will be get yellow precipitate. This reaction can be used to differentiate sodium sulfite and sodium thiosulfate. When we add dilute HCl in sodium sulfite, no yellow precipitate is formed, but dilute HCl when added in sodium thiosulfate, yellow color precipitate is formed. When concentrated HCl react with oxidizing agent, chlorine gas release a greenish yellow colored gas is released when concentrated hydrochloric acid combined with strong oxidizing agent like MnO2 is a strong oxidizing agent, manganese dioxide plus concentrated HCl gives MnCl2 plus water H2O plus Cl2 chlorine gas. Greenish yellow colored gas is released. When we add concentrated HCl in KMnO4, potassium permanganate, product is KCl plus MnCl2, manganese chloride plus water plus Cl2, greenish yellow colored gas, that is chlorine gas. When we add concentrated HCl in K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate, we will get product KCl potassium chloride plus CrCl3 chromium trichloride plus water plus Cl2, a greenish yellow colored gas. Uses of hydrochloric acid. It can be used in manufacture of chlorine and chloride like ammonium chloride, which is used in rice cell. It can be used in dyes formation, drugs formation, paints, photographic chemical, glucose from starch. In industry to pickle steel means clean metal sulfate by using acid because HCl dissolve the oxide. For purifying bone black, to remove rust from iron sheet. For cleaning metal surface before painting, electroplating, galvanizing, soldering, an extraction of glue from bones, in tanning and calico printing industry. It can be used in medicine. Dilute HCl is prescribed to the patient with decreased activity of their gastric juice because we know HCl use in the digestion of protein and also in destroying microorganisms that enter the alimentary canal along with food. Test for hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid. HCl gas has an irritating smell, pungent smell. HCl when combined with ammonia solution, we will observe white dense fumes due to formation of ammonium chloride NH4Cl. When dilute HCl added in silver nitrate AgNO3, we will observe white precipitate. These precipitate soluble in ammonium hydroxide and remain insoluble in nitric acid. When concentrated HCl react with strong oxidizing agent, we will observe greenish yellow gas, that is chlorine. This gas turns moist starch iodide paper into blue black.